Today we came out and we're handing out some new uniforms for our grounds personnel. Yeah, a few weeks ago, and here lately we've had a heat index of 106, 105, and the safety and wellness of our employees are at the forefront of our hearts.
So today we've just issued some new, really lightweight, very breathable shirts, long sleeve. They've got other hand sanitizers and protection. And we're just trying to let them know that that we care about them. We're listening to what their needs are, and we're trying to provide those needs to them.
Every employee in the division of operations, all 1,100 of us, are going to fill out a needs and wants form, and this came from some of their voices. This is our first phase to have our folks to be able to be cooler in a sense. And then we're going to move into some safety glasses that have been ordered, and they're on their way also. Some thicker face shields for debris in case they get hit. Some cooler pants so that they remain that cool temperature out there with the breeze. And of course our top cover with some different types of hats that they're going to be able to utilize.
So it was like Christmas in July. We're in August, right? But it was Christmas all over again.
We're used to the big cotton shirts. They're huge, and this is going to be perfect for everybody. Perfect.
This kind of material is real cool, and the way it's outside right now, it's the shirts we use. I mean, it's just super hot, and I've seen, I just got it and I put it on and it feels amazing.
Our grounds have the hardest job as far as being out in the hot sun. They're dealing with the mowers and the weed eaters. And so we're trying to make them as comfortable and as safe as possible.
We will also be getting our masks soon that have the ability for the filter. Dr. Redondo's guidance is every employee will gain a mask every day.
Today was just an awesome time for us to be able to give out those resources and those supplies that they've asked for us, and they deserve it. They deserve the top quality of uniforms. They deserve top quality of equipment. And we want to make sure that when we have high expectations for our employees, that we provide them with the same high expectations and the level of quality of equipment that we know our employees deserve.